Greetings, beautiful souls. So, beautiful souls, they use everyone, okay? Every one of us, even the birds, all right? On top of using nano, okay, they also use the birds. Now, I'm not sure how the birds basically, help to make the clouds form. But if you look in the sky right now, before it was clear, and right now, I don't know if you can see it, but there are black birds flying around, right? Which is causing this little cluster of clouds, which will go away because God's kingdom is here. But you see it, right? They also use the birds, okay? So they're using God's birds as slaves as well. I know it's going to be hard for you to believe, especially when you first hear it, but beautiful souls, open up your mind, wake up and see truth. You see the birds up there. And they're basically circling, the sky. Look. Why would they stay just in one spot, right? Birds fly freely. Free birds fly freely. Why would they, look. See that? I hope you guys see it. All right, open up your eyes. They use everyone, all of us. The animals that we're supposed to protect, the birds that we're supposed to protect, they enslaved everyone, and we need to wake up, open our eyes, and believe in God, because we are free. Believe in your power, beautiful souls. We win. Stay strong. We win because God Almighty already won. Glory be to God. And keep flooding the internet with truth. Keep flooding your neighborhoods with truth. Because truth, beautiful souls, sets us all free. Have a beautiful Sabbath day. I'm already enjoying mine. I will probably do videos throughout the entire day. So, because as soon as God leads me to speak, I speak. Okay? So, beautiful souls, be aware they use everyone, even God's birds. Okay? And we are the ones that are actually supposed to take care of the animals that God created. So let's stop this by speaking truth. Have a beautiful day. Talk to you guys soon. God bless us all. Glory be to God for our win. Have a great day, guys. Bye.